Hey guys, Diana here from strategicfinances.net, empowering women to build wealth online. So one thing I want to point out, I drive a lot, guys. So you're going to see me in my vehicle a lot. I have a goal, personal goal, to put out a video every day. I was putting out a video once a week, but the goals that I have for 2020 is going to require me to do as much as I can. So that's going to be a quality video every day. And so if I'm realistically going to do that with everything else that I have going on, I'm going to do a lot of videos from my vehicle. So one thing I want to point out is that I am hands-free. I even have these things in to where I can answer a call, press of a button. I think I can stop this recording with the press of a button. So I'm absolutely hands-free. I know that you see everything, but I'm being safe. I'm not even going to look at the camera. We'll see how this works, okay? Y'all give me feedback if you think whatever, I don't know. But I wanted to get this piece of information out to you. So how to get the money to start your business, okay? So I guess I'm speaking to you if you already know what business, even if you don't know what business you want to start, but you know you want to start a business. Why? Why do you want to start a business? Okay, number one, you're most likely working a job. So what you're wanting to do is supplement your job income because it's just not enough, right? That's actually where I was. I was wanting to, that's why I started my business, because I was wanting to supplement my job income. About 7 years ago, I was sitting in our first home. Me and my husband, we had just got married, and then we moved from an apartment to a house. And I realized, I was on my bed one day and I was looking through, because I do our finances, our budget and whatnot, and I was looking through our finances, and we had specific goals, and we had things we wanted to do, but it was hard to reach those goals, and it was hard to kind of get out of the rut of living paycheck to paycheck, even though me and my husband were working both working full time. It was still hard to get ahead financially, let alone meet all our financial goals. And so I basically asked God, I was like, what do I need to do to bring more money into our household? And so, long story short, I've learned about, I can say God taught me, or however it works. I know that God presented me with an opportunity. Well, let's just say an opportunity presented itself to me after that sincere, heartfelt prayer. And so the opportunity was a business, okay? Literally, after I had prayed, because I'm not the type to just pray, to not do anything. Let's say it like that. Like, I don't want to just pray and hope. And I am hoping at the same time, but I'm willing to work. I've always worked and just did something, And so after that prayer, I was seeking to get I did have 2 jobs before I got married. Once I got married, my husband was like, okay, you can just, you can quit, one of the jobs, right? And so obviously I stayed at the job that paid more. But after this, after about a year of just working the one job, it was like, well, dang, still, we don't have a lot of money. So I need, so after the prayer, I was like, well, I guess I'm going to have to go get a second job again, So long story short, I went searching. I was either going to have to move up rank in the company that I was working for to get paid more, or I was going to have to get another job. So at the time, it was like, okay, I got to get another job. That's going to be quicker. So as I was searching for another job, an opportunity was presented to me to start a business, okay? And this video was about that, okay? It's about you starting the business, 1, and 2, having the money to start the business. So for me, I was already living paycheck to paycheck. But what I did is I just somehow scraped together the money. I don't even know. And I started a business. Okay. Now it was a network marketing business. So I was able to start it low cost, right? It was affordable. I didn't have to put up $250,000 to invest in a McDonald's franchise. I started a business, at network marketing, so it was low cost. So, but even with that low cost, when you're living paycheck to paycheck, it's like, okay, how do I make the initial investment? Okay. Not only the initial investment, but the ongoing investment. There are ongoing costs for the life of your business. Okay. So it's one thing to just start the business, to put up the capital to start the business. It's another thing to have capital to keep the business going. And one thing I struggled with was, one, getting the startup money, and then two, the ongoing cost. And come to find out, a lot of people struggle with the very same thing. You might be struggling with that, right? You haven't started the business because you don't have the money, or you have started the business but you're struggling with building that business, let alone building it. Let's just talk about the ongoing cost that you have to pay in order to keep the business going, right? So what I want to share with you in this video is something that I did not know back then, but I know now. And I just want to share the information with you. So if you have a job, I don't have a job anymore. Me and my husband were self-employed. We work for ourselves, 100% entrepreneurship. But I was there at the job trying to start this business. So if you have a job, okay, I'm talking to you specifically if you have a job. So how can you get the startup income from the job that you already are working? Okay? From the money that you're already making at your job, or from your job income, how can you get the money to start your business and to keep your business running? Okay? This is how you do it, okay? You need to go to the IRS.gov website and do a paycheck checkup. Do a paycheck checkup, okay? And what this is gonna do now, okay, listen here. Some people think that this is something illegal, okay? Because I've talked about in other videos, or if you follow me on Facebook or Instagram or here on YouTube, I've talked about, how to give yourself a raise without asking your boss. And this is what this is. If you get a refund every year, that simply means that you are overpaying in taxes. I'm not going to go into that in this particular video, but in this particular video, I'm talking to the person who has tried everything. They've couponed, they've worked overtime, they have 2-3 jobs, and it's still not enough. This is what you do. Go to the IRS.gov website, IRS.gov, search for, you're going to see it on the home screen, whether you're on your desktop or your cell phone. Search for paycheck checkup. If you don't see it, go to the search bar and search for paycheck checkup. Start there. The IRS itself tells you that you're overpaying in taxes, and if you don't want to do that, this is how you do it. I did a video on it. I'll link it below this video to guide you from there. But that is the answer. That's how you get your startup. So for example, me, I'll do that in another video. Let's just use an example of another person, right? There's plenty of people in my network who have adjusted their W-4, because that's what you're doing with the paycheck checkup, and they have received. So for example, this one particular person, he received, what was it, like $990 a month extra in his paycheck. Now, that's really good. Now, for the average person, it's from, like $200 to $500 extra money after they adjust their W-4 properly that they receive on a monthly basis, right? You may get paid once a month, twice a month, but out of all your paychecks for a month, if you have your W-4 filled out correctly to where you're not going to receive a refund, and of course you're not going to owe, you can receive money back from the very job you're working now, or jobs. You can receive extra money in your paycheck legally, ethically, morally. What you're going to do is you're going to use that money. This is specific for this video because you could use that money for a lot of different things. I actually have a free, in the link below, I'll leave a free 8-step game plan to increase your cash flow. I'll show you what to do with that extra money. But in this particular video, you're looking for the startup money to start your business, or maybe you're struggling to keep with ongoing costs. This is how you do it. Once you receive that extra money in your paycheck, you're then going to put that towards starting your business. Now, I don't know how much it is for your business to start, but you may take that money that you're receiving every month, and you might have to save up for 2, 3, 4 months. Or if your business is low cost, after one paycheck, you may be able to start that business, and you're going to get that money every single month as long as you keep your job. Now you have your capital also to keep your business running, okay? That's all I got for you today. To recap, if you're looking for startup capital to start your business, or if you're struggling in your business with ongoing business costs, then you need to go to the IRS.gov website, go to Paycheck Checkup, follow the instructions, and I'll also leave a link below, and I'll walk you through how to do it. Get your money. Stop looking forward for a refund. You're just not going to get it. Now, there are ways you can still get a refund. I'm telling you, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell. I'm going to share some things with you that can change your cash flow for life. All right, but in this particular video, do that and get your money, okay? And let me know how that works for you. So thanks so much for watching, and definitely do that. That's your assignment. Go to the IRS.gov website, fix your W-4, use that money to start your business or to put into your business, okay? And I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.